ladies and gentlemen, I am back with another video, and I wanted to do just a quick makeup routine, like something fresh, glowy, and all black on. Okay, first of all, let me show y'all these. I got these from Amazon. These are $10 for a full set of brushes. You get a beauty blender and a thing to help you wash your brushes, and you get a full set of these things, and it was only for $10. It was $9.99. I'll leave a link down below. I am not the type of person that wants to spend money on makeup products. I'm just not doing it. Well, spend too much money. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the Iman Stick foundation in Clay 4 all over my face. And let me tell y'all something. The reason why I love Iman is, first of all, first time I saw Rihanna wearing makeup, I think she was wearing Iman foundation. So this stick foundation doesn't just look thick on your face. It looks really, really, really like skin, especially as you wear it throughout the day. And I noticed that it doesn't fall into my smile lines. A bitch is getting old, okay? And she can't be, these smile lines are showing up every single day. So I have it in 4 colors. I have it in Clay 3, Clay 4, Earth 1, and Earth 3. So this one's Clay 3, and I'm just using my little brush that I got from Amazon, and I'm just rubbing it in and putting it under my eyes. I wonder if this light is too bright. Can y'all really see? Because it's washing me out. Let's see, if I look down this way, it's because my mirror is down here. So I get right up under the eyes. And as you can see, my skin is already glowing. You can already see it, but it's not. This stuff is also mattifying. I'm fucking in love with it. And I noticed if you use it with a brush, it applies better than if you use it with a beauty blender. For some reason, because this is a stick foundation, when I use it with a beauty blender, it doesn't really respond too well. So just a little brush and brush it on really thin. Homegirl just shaved her mustache, so I'm out here being smooth. I think everybody got a mustache. I'm just highlighting all these areas, keeping it really simple, going under my eyebrows as well. This is perfect just for summertime because, sometimes I just don't want to look like a cake face, Sometimes I just want to look natural. This is what natural looks like to me. How sad is that? Girl, where is natural? Where do you know her? You don't know her. So, this is the Iman Stick Foundation in Earth 3, y'all. I told y'all I have every single one. Get under my chin. Ooh, right here. Chisel it up. We like to be chiseled. I put it on my eyes as well, so I don't have to do any sort of eyeliner or anything. Okay, just blend it in. Circular motions. Yes. Y'all, I'm nowhere near anybody's makeup artist. Sometimes I'll be going to work looking a mess, and I look in the mirror, I'm like, girl, what was you doing? But my motto is, you gotta look busted in order to look good. Which means you gotta be willing to you have to be willing to at least try. Let's try something new. And you may look a mess, so what? Who cares? Out in public, sometimes my wigs be looking a mess. Some people may hate it, some people may love it, but who cares? If you don't try and practice, then there's no way you would see what you can do. This stuff is more like a reddish color, the Earth 3 on me, so I like to just use it as a bronzer. this isn't quite a contour. So I'm just getting in there. And I know I'm gonna have to clean it up just a little bit because I get messy on the sides. What I do is take my concealer, take Clay 3 once again. This is like my skin color. And I just go under it just to make sure I didn't do too much. Okay. See? She's back in line. See? Contour done came back. There we go. A couple of people have asked me for an eyebrow routine. And I have to be honest with y'all, like, when it comes to my eyebrows, I'm real basic. I just outline it. First, I outline my eyebrows. And then I just fill it in with hairline strokes. But look at her, she's cute. And this is the Revlon Color Stay pencil. It's an alright pencil, but I believe, I'm over here pontificating, it's not about the products you use, it's all about technique. And back when I used to do my brows, it used to be just like, it used to look a mess. Like I used to just draw them in without any sort of, real technique. And it's not like I'm the best at it right now. This is what it looks like before you brush them out. But I did learn what's best for my eyebrows. Y'all can see I don't have any eyebrows at all. So I had to learn how to make them look, first of all, natural and real. Or at least, you never know how natural, though, somebody looks unless you see them in person. A lot of us be on YouTube looking natural and glowy, but then in real life, we over here looking like, we are casket ready. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit myself with the highlight. And this is the Becca Champagne Pop. Ooh! You talk about a champagne pop. And I don't powder this stick foundation, even under my eyes. It's like I don't know how to describe it, but it's like a powder to cream sort of thing. It's hard to describe, but it really is. It like kind of melts into your face, but it's still a little bit dry. It's not as creamy as other stick foundations, which I like because I have very, very, very oily skin. So it works for me. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out the front of these eyebrows, and that's it. Sometimes I'll go around my eyebrows with a concealer, and this is the Warm Honey Pro Conceal Concealer, but I'm going for more of a, I woke up and I look fabulous sort of look. Y'all like my wig? This is the Main Chicks hair wig. I'm in love with this wig. I had it in the side part in my last review, which was the last video I uploaded. But she's like, this wig is like giving you naturalista. I mean, I didn't do anything with the front. I just plopped my wigs on my head for work because you ain't gonna see all this, but ain't she cute? Okay, for lips, I always take a brown lip liner and overline my lips a bit. I have very tiny lips. Shout out to the girls with tiny lips. You gotta make a lip. Okay, what is she giving? Ooh. It's a bit light. This is the Black Radiance Matte Lip Cream in 5403. I don't know what the name of it is. And then I'm going to go ahead and use on the outside. I'm just creating something. I don't know. There we go. She's giving you a fuller lip. It's mascara. I don't know if I like how the color is coming off. Like, I'm not looking as warm and glowy as I'm supposed to look. I think it's because of this light. No blue lights on black girls, honey. How's your day going? It's early in the morning and hot as hell in Atlanta, Georgia, which is the perfect weather for me. I thrive in this weather. This mascara is the Falsies mascara. Despite what this camera's telling you, I look cute. I'm just saying. We're all done, and that took like 10 minutes or so. Hair is done. This wig is everything. Like, look at that bounce. This is what it looks like. Isn't she glowing? Isn't she natural? Okay, so this is me showing you how this foundation wears throughout the day. I think I blotted once on my nose and that's it, but this is what my skin looks like. She's glowing. Get up close. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. Just like a nice skin-like glow. I need to go. I love y'all. I will see you in my next video. Bye.